Hello and welcome. I'm Raghav and today we will learn what is robot framework and how to install robot framework. And this is going to be very easy and very interesting. I'm going to start from very basics and I will start from scratch and learn what is robot framework and how to install robot framework. So before we go to the installation steps, let us see what robot framework is, and I will go to Google and I'll just search for robot framework, and here you will get this official website for robot framework, which is robotframework.org. I'll go here, and here you can see it says robot framework is a generic test automation framework for acceptance testing and acceptance test driven development. It has easy to use tabular test data syntax and utilizes keyword driven testing approach. So in very simple words, if we have to define robot framework, I can say, so I'll just increase my font so that you can see this clearly. And in very simple words, this is a Python based test automation framework and it uses keyword driven testing approach. Okay, so this is very easy to use and it has keyword driven approach. So that means for creating your test you will be using some keywords. For example, if you are creating a Selenium test for doing test automation on browsers, you will find keywords like open browser and give the URL and give the name of the browser you want to work on, and then let us say input text and give the ID of the element or the locator of the element, and then the text and close browser. So this is how we will create our entire test, and this is going to be very easy. And so now let us see how to install robot framework. So here, step number one is, let me again increase the font here. So step number one is check if Python is installed on your system. So you can follow this video on Mac as well as on Windows. I will be telling you about both of these operating systems, and you can use robot framework on Mac as well as on Windows. So if I go to my Windows and I will go to command line and say python space hyphen hyphen version. So this is the command python space hyphen hyphen version, and this should show you the Python version installed. In case you are getting something like Python is not recognized as an internal or external command, that means Python is not installed. And similarly, I can check for pip. Pip is a Python package manager. Using pip we install Python libraries, so you can also say pip space hyphen hyphen version and it should show you the version of pip installed. Similarly, if you are on Mac, you can go to your terminal and run the same commands, python space hyphen hyphen version and pip space hyphen hyphen version. So in my case, both on Windows and on Mac, I have Python installed, and you will also find pip installed, and pip comes along with Python, and this is here. So this is the prerequisite. You have to check if Python and pip are installed, and these are the commands: python space hyphen hyphen version and then pip space hyphen hyphen, it is hyphen and then hyphen version. Okay, so I will also make all these notes available to you with this video, so you can just follow the notes as well. Now, just in case Python is not installed on your system, I have the next video on how to install Python on Windows and how to install Python on Mac OS. So how to install Python on Windows and how to install Python on Mac OS. So you can watch those next videos. I will also provide the link in the notes or description section. So just in case if this is not installed, you can watch this, and I will move to the next step assuming that you have Python installed. So the next step is we have to install robot framework. So to install robot framework, if you go to the official documentation here, so you can see this is the documentation, and you can also go to this documentation link from here. So this will take you to the robot framework documentation page, and let me just wait for this page to get loaded. Yeah, so you can see the getting started, demos, videos. So you can see the installation instruction here. Let us go here, and I'll also make all these links available in the notes as well. So let me put this link here. So you can directly go to the documentation for installation from here. And if you see here, we have the installation instruction, and this is the command to install robot framework, which is pip install robot framework. So the command is pip install robot framework. Okay, so I'll go to my command line on Windows, and I will say pip install robot framework. And do you see it says requirement already satisfied? That means robot framework is already there. So let me show you by uninstalling. I can also say pip uninstall robot framework, and I say yes. So it is now uninstalled. And now if I run the command pip install robot framework again, it will not download, and it will just install from the cached libraries. So you can see it is installing collected packages, and it is installing. But if I want to install a fresh copy, I can also say I'll just uh, uninstall it again by using pip uninstall robot framework. And now to install a fresh copy, I will say pip install, and I will use the flag minus minus no cache dir. So this is minus minus no cache dir, so that it does not takes it from the cache and it install a new copy. So you can see it is now downloading it, and then it will install it. And see, it is now installed. I can also check. So if I go to my Python folder, so let us say I have my Python folder here, program files 86, and I have Python here. And if I go to scripts, I can see it is not here. I can go to lib and site packages, and you can see our robot framework is here. So robot framework is now installed. Also, you can clear your cache. So just in case if you want to clear your cache and install a fresh copy, you can go to your C and go to users, go to your user, and you will find a hidden folder called app data. You can go here, and if you go to local, you will find a folder for pip inside local. If you go here, you will find a folder for cache. So you can just go here and delete whatever is there in the cache folder, and then if you will install, it will always install a fresh copy. So just to check if robot framework is installed, you can run the command robot space hyphen hyphen version, and it will show you the version of robot framework installed. So let me also quickly write the commands here. So this is the command to install robot framework, and this is the command to uninstall robot framework, and this is the command pip install hyphen hyphen no cache dir robot framework. So you can use this command. Now in case you want to upgrade your installation, there is a command to upgrade the installation. You can say pip install hyphen hyphen upgrade robot framework. So this command will upgrade your installation. So just in case you have already have robot framework, but it is not the latest version, it will install the latest version. So if I just copy this command and go to my command line and say pip install hyphen hyphen upgrade robot framework and hit enter, you can see it is saying this is already up to date. However, in case I have a older version, it will update to a new version. So this is the command you can use. And also if you want to run a specific version or install a specific version, you can say pip install robot framework equals the version. So for example, if I say 2.9.2, it will install that specific version. And we already have seen how to uninstall robot framework. So now step number 3 is check robot framework is installed properly. And for that, the commands we can use are, you can say pip freeze, or you can say pip list, or you can say pip show robot framework, or you can also say pip check robot framework. So if I run this command on command line, if I say pip freeze, it shows all the Python libraries installed, and you can see robot framework is here. If I say pip list, it also shows the list of all the Python libraries installed and their version number here. So you can see robot framework is here. And then I can also say pip show robot framework. It will show me the details of robot framework, and you can also see where it is installed, the location. So it is installed in C program files, Python, lib, site packages, and all the other information like author and everyone you can see here. And then if you run the command pip check robot framework and hit enter, you can see it is saying no broken requirements. So that means our robot framework is installed properly. So this is how you can check and install robot framework, and this is what robot framework is. So we have started with robot framework, and I hope all of you have robot framework on your system. In the next session we will start working on robot framework. I hope this session was very useful for you. Thank you for watching.